15-minute consultancy is the cheapest in this industry, wherein other portal are charging for 80 rupees, 90 rupees, or minimum 20 rupees. We are charging only 99 rupees for 15 minutes.
Okay.
Apart from this, we are offering Vedic astrology, tarot astrology, and numerology. Right. Our organization is based on Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Hmm.
We are in this field for last 2 years. Right. The point which I need to discuss is about social media ads, meta ads, right? So we want to generate leads from meta and convert it to the customer. We in past running the meta ads, right? At my own, I'm driving or I'm driving through agency also. But the major challenge was in this, that like we are vanishing our budget in that.
Okay.
Like, if we are running ad, we are not getting quality of
Hmm.
lead. We are not getting proper leads. So this was the major challenge. Then I see your ad on Facebook. I just request you, and the things happens from there.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So may I know how many budget you already previously used for your ads and you are not getting like success?
See, initially we started for 200 rupees, then we go for 500 also. Daily
Okay.
budget I'm
What
talking
is your
about.
target market? What is your target market? Like you are running entire pan India, anything specific zone?
Yeah, we are running entire pan India.
Entire pan India. Okay.
Pan India.
And your ad create is means your ad create was like a graphics type or any
Yeah.
video ad
Oh, yeah,
creatives.
exactly. For this point, we have graphic uh, also and video ads also. We run graphic and video ad also. Video ad we run, we get the response and graphic also, but the lead was not quality leads, right?
Mm-hmm.
We run astrology ad. The CPM was like 2 rupees only. We run WhatsApp campaign, right?
Mm-hmm.
The CPM was 2 rupees only, but the convert ratio was very low, and the audience we get was very rough audience, you can say.
Okay. I mean,
We
they are coming, and they are not related, and they are like talking about little bit another section
no, see about the relation about astrology is everyone is related to astrology. Like your girlfriend cheat to you, you need astrology guidance. You are not happy with your life, you need astrology guidance. So everyone need astrology guidance, and that too we are offering. First, we offer first call consultancy free for 5 minutes, right?
mm,
So I guess when people we run the ad and we highlighted it, first call consultancy is free. So what I guess people assume that it's free, so it's better to take it.
mm,
Nothing is going from our pocket, just take it. So when they take the free services, for free services they need to register on website first, right? Once
mm,
they register, they get the window of 5 minutes free talk time. So, for example, Lakshman is registered to our website, and he called to astrologer and he talked to astrologer.
mm.
After 5 minutes expire, Lakshman is very smart. He is having two other mobile number also. So
Okay.
he registered from other mobile and then from other mobile. So for doing this activity, Rajat, Lakshman talked to astrologer for 15 minutes for free. So this is our major challenge. And apart from this challenge, we are getting audience on our WhatsApp number, right? But
Mm,
when we ask them to register on website for free consultation, they said ki please explain it here on WhatsApp. We are not going to register. So we are getting this kind of challenges.
mm. Okay.
And I vision that we can target in this the whole story is all for targeting. Like if
Yes.
we
Yes.
target, yeah, whole what I understand from my learning and from seeing videos and creatives, whatever. So my learning is it's all about targeting. If we are targeting the right audience or competitor targeting, we are analyzing and doing that, then we get the good result. For this,
Of course.
I want a better partner with me who can work with me and give me good business.
Mm. Yes, of course, there is presence a lot of like section. We should do work on that. Like first of all, like content is the most powerful thing because of to your audience, your content is the king, right? So
Right,
that's why we should do work on the content basis. And after that, we are accelerate the backend targeting section because targeting is the most another important things, right? So
right.
we will work on that section. But first of all, before starting the work, as a marketer, as an experienced marketer, I should to check out your ad account and all that things. Okay, like if I'm not checking, so that would be like not worthful, right, for your case. So that's why I very much request to you, if you have any option, if you have any chances to giving like any like 1 day access so that I can audit freely, and then I figure out what kind of things we should to do in the new basis, right? And so that you
So,
can get as soon as possible like success, because we're not like we are doing like a lot of like business marketing and getting success, right? So that is the things we should to do it planning, I mean strategically, and we should to do it easily, right?
right,
So that is our main goal.
yeah.
So we can crack it, no problem, because at that time like we handle international astrology also, and he also like from India, but their entire clientele is European side
Mhm.
and American side, right?
Okay.
And they have YouTube channel also. So we are managing entire things, and I know good at your niche also, because astrology niche is the like little bit science. I mean, lot of science, and also a lot of like you also know like us like a lot of things over there present, right?
Mm.
So that's why we should do like take it very scientifically, so we can crack it, no problem. Okay. So I think that would be better if you give me entire details like your website and your content, and I'm just sending you email on
Mhm.
WhatsApp, and you can give me the ad account access for the 1 day, and I will like audit your channel. And
Yeah, Lakshman, for that account part, I like to clear you that most of the agency whom work for me, they just run ad from their ad accounts, right?
okay.
Yeah, for my ad account, I run the ads at my own. I can share that details only, but I
Hmm.
can't share that other partner details because they run the ads on their business account.
Hmm. Hmm. It's a problem for your like for a business purpose. Okay,
Mm.
I never suggest your business is your right.
Right.
So you should do take entire handling position from your side. You don't like believe on another side. So that's why I always recommend, if you are a businessman, so you should to take care entire things. Otherwise, you will face the problem and some like a lot of travels in future, right? So
Right.
that's why it's a little bit problem. But yes, of course, you can give me the snapshot also, so that we can check out. Okay.
Sure. So I'll you just email me what details you required from my side.
Yes,
I will
yes,
share the
yes.
details, and
Okay.
also you can share your portfolio and
Yes, of
your
course, of course.
skills, so I can go through that also.
Definitely. But one thing I just ask you, let's say we are doing entire things very clearly and entire things, and you gave me the aggregation. Yes, Lakshman, we will start.
Mm.
So, what kind of things will be oh, we can go ahead? Like, let's say, like you have like your personal ad account and business manager you have. Uh,
Yes.
okay, 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 okay. That's really good. Okay, no problem. So I will send you the entire things end of the meeting, and you will check it out and give me the option and give me a chance. I will edit it. Then we
Definitely, you share the details over the email. I'll get back to you. Also, you share your profile and your past
definitely.
work. So once I go through it, we can have a meeting.
Yes,
I
yes,
guess tomorrow, and we
yes.
can
Tomorrow will be
start
good.
this.
Good. Yeah. You can also check it out like Lakshman Ruidas, okay, and you will get the entire things personally, because I also make the content and all things are I am doing, and lot of
Okay.
meetings over there. Okay, in my YouTube channel also, and also I will send it to you like a lot of case studies internationally and nationally clients we are managing. Okay, so that you have a good enough knowledge and a little bit authenticity, right? Like without not authenticity, we cannot go ahead, right? It's
Fine.
a yeah. Okay, okay, man.
Fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Lakshman.
you so much. Thank you. Welcome.
Mhm.